Question 29. A regression equation is given as y hat is equal to 2.5x minus 0.85. Compute the predicted value of y when x is 10. Okay, y is the true value and y hat is the estimated value for y. So what we want to do is we want to find out what x is going to be, or what is y going to be when x is 10. Well, we don't really know that, so we have to use the equation for y hat to estimate that for y. So really all we have to do is we have to plug in 10 wherever we see an x in the y hat formula. Okay, so y hat, when I plug in 10, will be 2.5 times 10 minus 0.85. Okay, so that's going to be 25 minus 0.85. Okay, so my answer is going to be 24.15. And that's it. So again, this is not necessarily the true value for y, because y hat is an estimate for y. So this is just an estimate for y when we are plugging in a value of 10 for x.